Crazy windstorm going on. That's not supposed to look like that. Look at that thing. Now check this out. Oh, it's so windy. It's crazy. Crazy. Look at. Listen to that. Look at the dog. Some of our furniture has blown away. Oh, where did our furniture go? Uh-oh. Oh, look at all our stuff. Yikes. Where's that furniture? Oh, it's so windy. I can't even stand here. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, look at that. It's so windy it is. One of our pieces of furniture is missing. I don't even see it. So where's that piece of furniture? I don't even see it. Yes, it looks like it's blowing all the way to there. So here we are on this fine October day to get the pump working. We got to prime this pump every year. It loses prime for some reason in the spring, and then we just leave it off. And now we drag the hose down here before we shut this outdoor hose off. And Shannon's right now cleaning out that bowl over there, but this has got to be filled up with water here. Turn this tap open. You can fill up the tank, fill up this line here. Get everything filled as possible with water before we turn it back on. And hopefully she sucks. From there. A lot of times we have an issue that it won't draw, from here. If that's not properly primed. And then they end up calling the guys from Wigs, who are the pump professionals. But we'll give it a shot here today. It'll be good. I should hook up one of those hoses from the dryer hoses. I mean the washing machine hose. It's got the same end here and here. Alright, we're going to try this. This is a washing machine hose. Many uses. This time it's going to be fitting onto here. See if we can fill this pump up. Find this pump. Look at that. A lot of water goes in there. You try to do that by hand, and it'll work. No, that's not a good sign. Hmm? That's not a good sign.
What, is it leaking?
It wouldn't have frozen though last year, would it have? Not a good sign when you see water coming out this back side of the pump. You're trying to prime it. That's the wrong way. Oh, look at it coming out everywhere like that. It's coming out everywhere. So, uh-oh. Some pressure. Pressure. We're trying to bleed off any more air. Still seeing a few air bubbles coming through here. That's this line. It's pushing out there. starting to build more pressure. 40 almost now. Still got a bit of a leak here though, unfortunately. I don't think that should happen.
Went in quite a ways.
Manual post pounder. How far did it go in?
Probably like this far.
It's cracked.
Yeah, I think that's probably all you're gonna get out of it. Oh. Does it help to make it wet and then do that?
Probably.
You stop this thing.
Sit at the surface.
Yeah, well, there's good.
Right on.
Oh no. Woohoo.
What's shaking, bacons? Here we're outside watching Shannon doing a little work with RG. Can Shannon get RG to walk sideways? Shannon seems to think RG is going to watch her and do the same thing. Are you going to do what Shannon does, RG? Let's see. Dolly used to be good at that. Although I guess I had a stick on her ass at the same time I was holding her face. Do a little differently. Is your heart in it today? Let's see. Oh, let's see if Enzo will have a carrot. Enzo, would you like a carrot? Look what I got. Look at what I got. Yeah, carrot. Come on, you gotta eat it. There you go. Yum. Good one? Kind of soft. I have another one. I do. Yes, I do. Will you let me pet you? Come on. Come on. Here, look, I got another one. Crazy dog. I mean, horse. Yeah, right. I've had 2 carrots. I'm out of here. Now I won't let you touch me. Come on. Here. Oh, you dummy, man. Come on. Come on, you can have it. It's a big one. It's a big one. Get it. Oh, look at he reaches way over. What a loser. I only have one little one left for Enzo. 2 little ones. No, 3 tiny ones. I'll put them in your bag.
Here's from my bag.
Don't even have to give me a treat to do that. Anyways, I am gathering up this hose that we were last week in the last video watering the mound of manure back here. That's what we were watering with this hose. That still looks kind of wet. I don't know, it's hard to tell. Looks like it went down some anyways. Let's see how wet it is. Oh no, it's pretty dry under there. Pretty dry under there. Oh yeah. She dries up pretty fast, I guess. Anyways. Look at Danica. You got something on your nose. She says, I got this thing on my nose. It smells like French fries. Oh. Smells like French fries. It smells like French fries. Mmm, French fries. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, now I'm gonna put my nose back in because it really smells like French fries. Alright, here we are trying to get something done as usual. It's Battle Royale. Neighbor German Shepherd versus local Rock Collie. She seems to think I'm involved with this scenario. I'm not, you know. I'm not involved. Look at these two. I'm not involved. Nope. Get off me, German Shepherd. Okay. Yum. Always smells good when I come out to work in the yard and the pump out is pumping out. That doesn't smell so good. At least we know it's working. In the summertime we put a hose on there and we put it out to there. That's why that little patch is green there. In the wintertime can't run a hose anymore, so it's got to pump out right onto the ground there. Anyways, we are putting up the snow fence here. I got some of these posts in, T-posts they called. These aren't really T-posts, but they are fence posts. And we're lining them up there. I got one more to do over there. We'll hammer that one in and we'll get this fence up that I picked up from PV Mart, ordered it online. This is $100 per 50 feet. I think this is 100 feet. I bought 3 rolls, but hopefully I just need 2 and I'll have a backup roll. All right, let's get her done. And who do we have here? We have the resident equines. The resident equines are here. Hello, Ralphie girl. What is shaking? What is shaking, sweetheart? And Enzo Potato. Right? Are you guys hanging out? Okay, you guys hang out. I'll go get this done. Hammer knocks these edges over, so I like to just straighten them up a bit. That way it doesn't keep bending over and we end up not able to use it after a couple of years. These are about $12 each, so not the most expensive things, but I hate tossing things out just because I've abused them and haven't kept things up. Straighten those flanges from the hammer. And now we'll get this item unrolled here. These two are fighting over the plastic that came off the, oh, because it's stuck to Danica's arm. Oh, my stuck to all your fur. Oh my gosh. There you go. How's that? I guess she was trying to help Danica get it off. That's nice. We should get about 4 more posts here. This one's super wide here. And probably I need one there to connect the dots there before I put up the last one. So at least 2, so we'll probably buy 5. Otherwise, looks pretty good. Think it'll work? Dogs can't get past anymore. Oh well. we can get that side's open up near the house, of course. That way if we needed to bring a hose across from the water at the house and run it down here to the water bowls or anything, we could do that. And to end the video, there's these two. Well, this is probably just the middle of the video. We got a little bit more fencing to do. Right, you knuckleheads? Danica snaps her teeth back and forth like that. Goes, you two. Ganuna bananas. Oh, look at that. Jaw snapping action. Like a bear. There's the teeth. One time I saw a bear in a cage. They trapped this bear, and it was dislocating his jaw, or it was snapping his teeth like that too. These two are playing, of course, but still sounds the same. Anyways, you know what else we have done is got the water sorted out in the blue bin there. Let's go over and take a quick look at that. As you can see, there's now water in the bowl. It's hard to tell whether that's heated or not. Probably only turns on when it's really, really cold. So we're hoping that that heater element in there works, and everything in here is working. I should turn that item down a bit. Oh, I should turn the electric fence back on, I guess, because this thing is now always on. And I would like it if it turned off when. See, now we got 40. Got the new pump in here. Oh, I'm gonna grab this other pump here. This thing's not working because it should turn off. Turn the light off here. That light should be off now, and it's still on, which sucks. It's keeping things very hot in here. So that's done. The corner fencing is done. Electric fence has all been pulled tight. That corner fence is done. We have done all the things we need to do for winter. And we enclosed these quite a bit. Mangers, I was going to make a couple of mangers in here to put the hay in the corner. I guess I should get that done too. Unfortunately, I also work full time, so it kind of slows me down. All right, guess where I am? Pretty loud out here, but I am at the shrine. Princess Auto. Got to love it. Here we are, going into the shrine to do a little praying. Yes, there we are. Put this pump in here. Get me a replacement. Catch you on the flip side. Check it out, Pump City. Here we are. Got pumps, pumps, pumps. I need this kind of pump right here. Look at that. They got a whole stack of the pumps I need. All right. Put that one in the car. Check out the clientele. Oh. Check it all out. Oh, I'm drooling. I drool every time I come in here. Tools and stuff. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Better than strippers. Co-op, of course. Only place I go for gas. Filling up our giant tank. This is our home tank in case of the apocalypse. When the apocalypse comes, I have enough gas for my lawnmower, my snowblower, my skidoo, and maybe for half a tank of gas in the car. Of course, this is going to cost me 150 bucks to fill that about halfway, if a halfway maybe, and then I'll put another 50 bucks in the car. So it's going to be 200 bucks in gas here right now. All right, so 150 bucks is 85 liters, and this tank is 45 gallons, which is about 200 liters. So that didn't even make it half full. That can full would be over 300 bucks. It would be like almost 400 bucks if you wanted to fill that can, that drum. Goes up fast. zap straps. Is there anything they can't do? Not zap straps, tie down straps. So I've got it underneath the barrel there. Doesn't look quite even, but I do have this one on the side here to hold it together, hopefully. Let's see where our balance point is here. Oh, look at that. That actually is perfectly even. Holy cow, it's coming up straight as a board. Straight as a die. I guess that wasn't quite balanced exactly the way I thought it should be. Still got it. Like anything, you get better at them the longer you use things, but except for tie downs. But I did manage to get them off here. So let's get the saw in the truck and all right, here we are at the horse shelter. We want to put mangers in the corners, so we are cutting wood to fit in there. And of course, the old favorite speed square, always fun to learn again every time you do it. So we'll get a quick angle cut on this piece here for the bottom. Measuring it backwards, of course, because I don't exactly know what I'm doing on those angle things, but that's how she goes. Okay, ready? Go for 39. Oh, but they're backwards. Fucking idiot. Didn't you notice that?
I just noticed it when you did it. I'm like,
Oh.
they're backwards.
Wrong angle on both sides.
Uh-oh.
Oh, now that's going to ruin this piece for everything, because the way it turns out, because I cut it on the wrong angle the wrong way, if I cut it now the right angle the right way, it might actually be the right size too. All right, here's the moment of truth.
Here's the test.
The test. I cut the angle backwards and it was too long anyways. And now I cut the angle right and it's perfect. Yes. All right, we need to cut at least three, if not four more of those. Let's use that one for a template.
Okay.
There's it. Right. That side, decide that side. Oh, come on. I can do it. I can do it. I'll edit that up.
Hey, I don't see a 1x6 over there.
Yeah, there's two of them. Great. I just moved them. And done. There is the manger. Apparently that's enough. Put enough hay in there for a day. And then they can eat it right out of the corner there, hopefully, and waste a little less. And if we need, we can add another 6-inch piece there. Make it taller. But we'll see how that works out. All right, let's see if I can edit all this into a very short Here's a how-to. Okay, so we need a bottom here. Get the inside measurement on this bottom ankle piece. And that should be 22. That away. Flip this around. Check that fit. Close. Perfect. Okay. Measure the second one. Just enough room there. O'clock train, time for lunch. Perfect. All right, we're going to test it. Here is some hay. No, yeah, it is hay. Not straw. So, gets thrown in there. Break it up. Yeah, that does hold a lot. Look, that was just a flake. And she flaked in there. Good stuff. Be able to put a lot in there, actually. Probably more than enough for 2 days. All right, we are done ski. Oh, I think I actually unplugged this electric fence when we were finishing the pump. Yes, I did. So let's plug that back in. Get the old red light blinking here. Yep. There it is. Blinky, blinky. Okay, blinky, blinky. You've got the fence turned on. It's so dry, it probably has hardly any power in there. Anyways, need some moisture to get the current to run through the ground properly. But that's for God to decide, not us. Let me grab this pump that's inside here, get it closer to the fence. No, I turned the fence on, then I gotta go over it. What an idiot. Oh. One more electric fence to hop. Oh! That's a little snappy. That's a little snappy. Oh. There's the snow fence. 3/4 of the way done. Just need a couple more posts. And one more. Put up the last section. And let's roll up this hose. One more time. Chasing me around. I'm not part of this. I'm not part of this teeth gnashing play fest. Quit it. Quit it. Crazy dogs. Ah. Stop biting on me.